Hello dear traders, welcome to Insta TV. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We would like to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Petar Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The euro-dollar pair is closing the week at near the psychological level of 1.10. This dynamic proves indecisiveness of traders. The market is likely to be in the wait-and-see mood next week as the Federal Reserve is due to publish the minutes of the latest policy meeting on Wednesday. Hi Petar, do technical indicators signal any changes in the market sentiment?
Hello dear traders. Euro-dollar basically did exactly what I expected last week. And after euro broke that key support, basically the euro went and euro traded lower and tested the 1.1 level, which is basically the key support level for this currency pair. And I marked that last week to pay attention on the 1.1 level on this currency pair. What I see so far, based on the 8-hour time frame, is that we got a 3 pushes down. There is a bullish divergence on the 310 oscillator, and I see the potential for the rally on this currency pair because, in my opinion, it seems like the sellers went too short and that they oversold themselves. So I will like to watch for buying opportunities on the euro versus US dollar. So the upper targets are set at the price of 1.1038. and the second target at the 1.1064. In case that you see the breakout and the strong downward momentum, the breakout at the 1.1 level, then watch for potential test of the 1.0950. But I will advise you, due to this bullish divergence on the momentum oscillator, the 310 oscillator, and also the Fibonacci expansion, 161.8%. So a lot of supports there to the 1.1, also the round number, so watch potential buying opportunities on this currency pair.
Traders give no response to a batch of negative economic data from the UK. Does it mean that the pound-dollar pair is oversold?
On the British pound versus US dollar, it is basically the same structure that I'm watching I showed you in my previous week, right, in my previous forecast. Basically there is a ABC, in my opinion, on the daily time frame, the end of the downward correction, and daily time frame, the past 20 days and 30 days is still pretty bullish momentum. So I do expect another leg up on this currency pair, and my advice is to watch for buying opportunities. On the pullbacks, you can watch for some bull flags on the hourly 240-minute time frame, some ABC type of corrections on the 4-hour time frame or 8-hour time frame to establish the long position. Upward targets on this currency pair are set at the price of 1.2980 and 1.3 level. So again, due to the potential end and completion of the downward correction ABC on the daily time frame, I do expect another push higher and the retest of that 1.2980.
Indeed, we see the US dollar is losing ground against the Japanese yen.
On the USD versus Japanese yen, what I found is a rising wedge. Basically, we got a breakout of the rising wedge formation, which is a basically warning and sign that sellers basically took control over the buyers, and that you should watch for selling opportunities on the rallies on this currency pair. And our targets are set at the price of 107.95 and 106.60. So because of the breakout of the rising wedge on daily time frame, watch for selling opportunities on the rallies with the first target at 107.95.
Thank you, Petar, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the link up on InstaForex TV with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.